Hello all my YouTubers and subscribers. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm. It wasn't that big of a snowstorm actually, for all my YouTubers on Fire Rats Playground. See plow trucks going by. A whole whack of stuff, all the slush, as you know, in the city of Hamilton here. It's quite crazy, all the cars, as I'm heading to my daily volunteer job. But there's some people that haven't shoveled their driveways, and I was on top of it last night, as you can see in part 2 of the video when it was really heavy. But as it now, it's cleared up. It's just a little chilly. I'm just on my way to get a Tim Hortons coffee, and that's pretty much about it, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this final update on part 3. I want to thank you to all my subscribers out there. You guys can give me a thumbs up. That would be great. Like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, guys, don't forget to tune in to Fire Rats Playground. Yes, that's right. Fire Rats Playground. Once again, guys, you know we are here to bring you what we can and what I can of unboxings, reviews, and games stuff, including the game reviews. But right now, gaming's slowing down, so I'm just changing format for a little bit, and then I'll be bringing it back, as you guys can see. So as I try to trek for this beautiful snow, all right, as you can see, and you can see the tractor. John Deere and a city bus going by. So guys, once again, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe video, and we will be with you once again as we're going through all this muck today. A lot of big muck. It's crazy. Oh, tell me about it. I gotta step through this slush, make sure I don't get my feet all soaking wet. Oh, so you guys can see, all the public transportations are all running behind schedule. Another one coming up. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. As you got bobcats, mail trucks, whole 9 yards going out here, getting this storm so they can keep the sidewalks clean. And as you guys can see, so all right guys, so just once again guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Start smoking my hand. Like, comment, and subscribe. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Once again guys, don't forget to check out Kool Vaping, my second channel, for your right to vape. If you're a vapor or enthusiast and want to know more about vaping, I'll have the link in the description below. Kool Vaping. And once again guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and we could bring you more of this here on Fire Rats Playground. Once again guys, have a great one, and we'll catch you on the flip side.